Hello, viewers. Hope you all are doing great and practicing your English every single day. And Alhamdulillah, I'm also having a fantastic time. Today, many days later, I came back with a new video. I am very busy now because you know that I'm a student and my exam is very close. So that is why I'm very busy with my study. But no problem. I came here again to practice my English and to make a new video. So welcome to another video, and I hope you are practicing your English every single day, because we all know that if you don't practice your English, or if you pause your one day you're practicing that, it will be create a huge problem for you the next day. When next day you will going to practice your English, then it will create a huge problem. Even you will feel a lot of fear, a lot of shy to speak. So don't pause, even produce some words, some sentence when you are busy in a day, but don't pause the day you practicing. So today in this video I am going to share with you some tricks for beginners who want to speak English but they don't know, or they don't find any way to start their speaking. So that is why today in this video I am going to share some important tricks, or this is very beginners for who want to speak or who want to start their speaking. Some days I feel very inspiration and very motivation, and some days were very boring. So no matter you are feeling boring or you are feeling motivation or inspiration, that's not matter. You have to be stay connect every single day in all situation. In all situation you have to be practice your English, because to write a book or to create a chapter, there needs both good and bad chapter. So to feel or to create a good life or a happy life, you need both sides, both happy and bad, both sides. So don't worry you are going backward or not going forward. It does not matter. You have to be practice your English every single day. This is the matter. If you practice every single day, then you have to be think, then you will think, then I'm going forward. You have to be say your mind that I'm going forward, no matter you are practicing or producing words or not. And then the next you can learn some words every single day. That's also a very important tricks. You have to be at least 5 words you have to be learned. And you can do another thing. Then you as you are a beginner, then making mistakes is simple. Even who is very advanced and the who can speak English confidently, they also make mistakes. So you making mistakes to you is very simple. And you if you as you make mistakes, then to create or to correct this mistake, you can do another thing. You can speak your when you speak, then you can speak in front of a mirror. That's very important, because when you are speaking, when you are deliberating a speech, then speaking in front of a mirror is very important. Because you when you are speaking in front of a mirror, you can see or you can watch yourself how you are producing these words, or if you make mistakes, then you can correct them instantly. And you can do another thing. Then when you are speaking, then you record this, because when you are speaking, then the mistakes you are making, then next time when you are listen this, when you by listening this record, if you are make this video or if you are take shots when you are speaking, when you are practicing, no matter, you don't need to make perfect. Don't perfection don't need. When you practice your English every single day, then perfection will come automatically. So I greatly require you, then you when you are speaking, then you can record your video, record your speech, because it is not give you this opportunity to making perfect, or to make correct them. You can upload this video on some social media or in the online platform, and this will help you to create uh, to create popularity, and it will give another inspiration to you when some people are write you on the comment, then go on and don't give up. This kinds of words, this inspiration words will give you another motivation, will give you another inspiration. This is very important. And when the first day I started my practicing English, from that day I started to creating video, and this also giving me a lot of inspiration. And also I want to share this right now, because this is not sharing right now is very right, but I want to share with you because some of beginners have who make a very very common problem. So let's share this problem.